I will explain about functional and non-functional requirement of AirAsia. The first functional requirement of AirAsia is transaction correction, adjustment and cancellation. Okay, for this part is users should able to correct their transaction detail and at the same time cancel their respective order if they are willing to do it. So, the second functional requirement of AirAsia is historical data. Okay, users should be able to track their history of traveling via this website when it is authentical as their data. For the third one is step-by-step provider. So for the step-by-step provider is users should be able to provide a step-by-step authentication. For example, data, time and the flight, place of departure, of arrival place. Then, I will talk about non-functional requirement of AirAsia. The first non-functional requirement of AirAsia is use of CAPTCHA and encryption to avoid bots from booking the tickets. The second one of non-functional requirement of AirAsia is search result should populate within acceptable time limit. The third one is users should be helped appropriately to fill the mandatory fields in case of invalid input. So for the fourth one is system should accept payment via different payment method like PayPal, wallets and cards credit.
As for the first user interface design principle, we use user familiarity. The user interface should be based on the user-oriented terms and conditions rather than computer concepts. It's clear to all kinds of users to select their details of their flight without being hesitated to any hard computer concepts. As for the second user interface design principle, we use consistency. As shown in the pictures, both PC and phone version shows the same kind of customer support and information in the website. This shows that they are consistent in both PC and phone versions. User interface design principle, we use recoverability. So, when users select the details, the system asks confirmation to the user whether the passengers wants a travel protection or otherwise. That can prove this website have recoverability user interface.
Okay, so then there are 5 types of API: email API, search API, web mapping API, database API, and booking API. Okay, the first is email API. When you register to the AirAsia website, you need to use your email to verify your account. Also, they use email API so that they can communicate with their customer easily when there are any problem. Or just to tell you, there is any promotion by using their newsletter. The second one is Search API. A Search API is a service that offers an API whose underlying features involving seeking through various data for a specific piece of data as instructed by application software. AirAsia uses this API to search for various things such as what flight is available by using where and when the user wants to go. Okay. The third one is Web Mapping API. A Web Mapping API allows you to communicate and integrate with existing map services, so you can develop a new application or expand the functionality of an existing one. This API usually include classes for maps and layers to make it easy to create, edit and display the map without needing to code all of the low-level logistics. AirAsia uses this API to locate where to depart and where to land in the UI. Okay, the fourth one is Database API. Database API allows you get the information that is stored in the website database like Oracle or PHP MyAdmin. AirAsia using this API to find the available flight location, time, seats, date, time for user to book the flight or to store a promotion. Users personally information, payment history, and so on. Okay, the fifth one is Booking API. Using Booking API can be used in third-party software to connect to a booking service like CSL Global to obtain flight details and up-to-date necessary information. AirAsia use this API so that the customer can book the flight.
As for the solution for the elaboration me and my teammate gave just now, there are three solutions. The first solution is technical maintenance. AirAsia online ticketing website should consistently check their appearance of their broken links, such as 404 error or missing media and fix them in order for the website not to lose its ranking by search engine. As for the second solution, updating website content is a must. As a high quantity of people accessing to the website, a regular updated blog is required. Moreover, AirAsia must update their website such as their contact details, home pages, ticketing prices, promotion, etc. for the user to see a new content on the website daily. Visiting and looking at the same old pictures is not likely by most of the users. As for the third solution, keeping website design up to date. AirAsia can keep their design compulsive and captivating. It will definitely drag users' attention as the design should be presentable on an outdated website which seems to be trendy and uninteresting. Okay, as for the comments about our online system ticketing, which is AirAsia, I have 3 comments here. The first comment is understandability. AirAsia online ticketing website is understandable as the source code of their current system is easy to be understandable by users who would like to access to it. Secondly, it is low cost on operation. AirAsia can advertise cheaper with existence of online marketing than traditional method of marketing. The internet server allows AirAsia to contact their customers more easily comparison to contacting them in traditional ways. Online communication is more affordable, such as sending personal emails to their users. The third and last is ability to multitask. Ability to multitask through their website. AirAsia website server has the ability of handling millions of customers at the same time, all the time. As long as the website infrastructure and properly maintained, this website is capable of providing service to every customer who makes purchase online without the risk of diminished satisfactions.